Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Lucia Malapas, married, 46 years old. I have 3 children, 1 boy and 2 girls. I live in Caloocan City.
Okay, so what is your educational background?
I'm a college level,
What course?
computer secretarial.
So, do you have experience as a domestic helper before?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In Philippines,
How long did you work in your first employer?
5 years.
5 years. So, what are your duties and responsibility?
I take good care of 2 months old baby girl and 2 years old boy.
Okay, so how many are they in the family?
They are four in the family.
Okay, only one helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how about your second employer? How long did you work?
6 years.
6 years. So, what are your duties and responsibilities?
I take good care of bedridden female.
Okay, so how many are they in the family?
They are 3 in the family.
Okay, one helper also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what do you prefer to take care, newborn or children?
Uh,
Anything.
anything, ma'am.
Okay, so if your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of disabled?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
drink alcohol or smoke regularly?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat pork?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
have tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have vision problems?
No, ma'am.
Do you hold any certificate like first aid, caregiver, nurse, and babysitter?
No, ma'am.
Have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police cases?
No, ma'am.
So if ever you will hire in Hong Kong, who will take care of your 3 children?
My husband.
So your husband. Anyway, your children are already grown up, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.